Access to education is important to every nation's development. In order to contribute to that effect, Direct Aid Ghana is continuing its support to the educational sector in Ghana by giving scholarship packages to needy but brilliant students who are studying at various universities across Ghana and some secondary schools. At a ceremony to give out scholarship packages to 2021-2022 academic year students, Country Director, Direct Aid Ghana, Mr. Sami Hanendek, has this to say.
We welcome you so much. In the occasion of this day today, we are celebrating together by for you receiving the sponsorship from Direct Aid. Today, we will give like 40 students from university sponsorship, and I promise you, if you get high results this year and next year, you will continue with us until you finish the study in university, and the number will increase. The number will increase. We will not stop at 40, but this year, as Mr. Sulaiman said, we have 105 students who take sponsorship from Direct Aid, university student and student in general and public education, secondary school, public education. So we will continue to support the society of all of us. If we want to invest and build our countries, our societies, our communities, we have all to invest in education. Because if we change ourselves, if we change the mind, if we change the culture of ourselves during education, we can help and change all our countries, and we can bring peace and security for our countries.
A special guest of honor, who happens to be the Deputy Minister of Health, Muhammad Sene, also took the opportunity to advise the beneficiaries.
What you got today should propel you to the highest and highest and highest. You should take this scholarship, pursue the course to the highest. And when you come and you're meeting scholars like this, you quote the Quran and let them know that we had a bad start. But I'm happy that we are progressing. Inshallah, we've done a lot.
Representative from the Zongo and Inner City Secretariat, Suleiman Al-Hassan, joined in that call.
Before Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will go and talk about La ilaha illallah, he was asked to read. When he said, I cannot read, then the angel said, read in the name of the Almighty Allah who created you. So you have to learn. There is a saying that where there is education, there is no poverty. And where there is poverty, it means there is no education. Forgive me, we Northerners are suffering. Because when education came to the South, it took 100 solid years for education to move from South to the North. So you can imagine the education gap. The time has come, and the opportunity has also been given, that we should also run as fast as we can to meet the 100 years. That is why you are seated here today. As Muslims, you have to learn and make your community proud. Go and change, come back and change the phases of our communities. Today, because of education, you go to Zongo community or you go to the North, there is a little bit change as compared to 20 years back. And we want to see that change as we go forward.
Some of the beneficiaries of the scholarship packages given by Direct Aid shared their happiness.
Alhamdulillah, I'm a beneficiary of Direct Aid Society, and Alhamdulillah, I'm very happy to be a beneficiary, and say may Allah bless the organization, and my parents are very happy about that. I say Jazakallah khair to Direct Aid.
I had admission on 2 occasions, and I couldn't attend the school. But this year particularly, Direct Aid has helped me, and I thank Direct Aid very much for this particular scholarship.
I really appreciate Direct Aid's efforts to help Ghanaian students. It's a blessing to our lives and their lives as well. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help them and bless them more to be able to do more of this initiative. Thank you very much.
The scholarship packages brings to a total of 105 students who have benefited from the scholarship packages. Country Director, Direct Aid Ghana, Mrs. Hami Hanendek, promises that there's going to be more. Abdullah Shamoun Bako.
Happy students, unique every day.